Hello, Alka. Surprised to see me here. Oh God, you are retiring today. My little sister, she has become 60 and she's retiring today. I can't believe it. I still remember the morning of 26th October 1962 at Adampur. The Pakistan had I think it was China who had declared a war against India, and we were at Adampur, and a trench was dug in front of our house, and you were just some few days old, and whenever the siren used to take place, Mummy used to wrap you up and give you in my hand, and I used to jump into the trench, and we all brothers and sisters used to cover ourselves with the leaves and twigs and then sit there till the next siren is to take place. So I feel it was just some years back only that thing happened, and now you are already 60. How days have flew. Alka, I would like to express that you have been a very good sister, a good daughter, a good wife, a good mother, and you have looked after almost everyone in your family as well as our family. You have a very kind heart and a generous one. As I look at your life, I realize that you have earned the two most important things: the love of your family and the respect of your friends. God bless you with a long, healthy life, and I wish you can tick mark all the items in your bucket list. God bless you and keep you healthy and happy in your retired life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today is the special day of superannuation of my two favorite colleagues and friends, Mrs. Sushma Deshpande and Mrs. Alka Hembade. I am here to bid farewell to a highly valuable teachers who have rendered more than 3 decades of service to many Kendriya Vidyalayas and are retiring today. I hope that your retired life is the best part of your life. Retirement is one of those major life milestones that mark the ending of one chapter and the start of another. Madams, you both have put in great efforts in instilling tolerance, kindness, patience, and teaching learning process for primary children. You both have worked tirelessly. Now you can give time for your hobbies and interests. Moreover, you can enjoy the company of your children in USA. Wishing you a happy, healthy and prosperous retirement life. Have fun forever. Thank you.
सभी को समिधा आयाचित का स्नेहपूर्वक प्रणाम। आज हमारी दो प्यारी सखियां श्रीमती अलका हेम्बाड़े और श्रीमती सुषमा देशपांडे केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन से प्रदीर्घ सेवा के बाद निवृत्त हो रही है। श्रीमती अलका का नाम लेते हुए जो छवि सामने आती है वह क्रियाशीलता और क्रिएटिविटी का मूर्तिमंत प्रतीक है। सदैव गतिमान रहते हुए विधायक कार्यों में बिजी रहने वाली अलका जी ट्रेकिंग से लेकर गोल्फिंग तक और आध्यात्मिक साधना से लेकर सामाजिक कार्य तक हर क्षेत्र में रुचि लेती है, जो कि उनके आसपास रहने वाले लोगों के लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत है। उनकी यह क्रियाशीलता निरंतर बनी रहे और निवृत्ति के बाद वह अपना कार्यक्षेत्र का दायरा और बढ़ाते हुए उनमें रुचि लेते हुए आनंदी निरामय निवृत्त जीवन व्यतीत करे, यही शुभेच्छा। गरिमामयी वात्सल्य मूर्ति सदा सुप्रसन्न चेहरे से अपने आसपास आनंद फैलाती हुई सुषमा जी अपने छात्रों के लिए तथा सहयोगियों के लिए पॉजिटिव एनर्जी का निरंतर स्रोत है। किसी भी कार्य को करते हुए सबको साथ लेकर सहजता से अत्यंत स्नेहपूर्ण वातावरण में सहयोग देकर काम करना उनकी खूबी है। इसी कारण से उनके साथ काम करना एक आनंददायी अनुभव बन जाता है। उनकी यही विशेषता और प्रसन्न हास्य सदा कायम रहे और ईश्वर उन्हें निरामय, सुखी और आनंदी निवृत्त जीवन प्रदान करे, यही शुभेच्छा। अंत में मैं फिर से मेरी दोनों प्यारी सखियों को अत्यंत उज्जवल और शांतिपूर्ण निवृत्त जीवन की कामना करती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Good morning to everyone, respected Principal Sir, HM Sir, and my dear friends. As we all know that today we are giving a bit farewell to highly valuable teachers, Mrs. Alka Himbade Madam and Mrs. Deshpande Madam, who have given most of their years of service to this KV organization and is retiring today. They both have worked tirelessly in shaping a student's mind and led them all on a good path. It is so amazing to realize how quickly time flies. Time goes by quickly when you are having a good time. And dear madams, under your guidance, we had the best time. And for time well spent, sometimes departures are celebrated more than arrivals. Goodbyes are so hard but also special, as you have the opportunity to say how special the person is to them. Certainly, you are the source of inspiration to many teachers here as well, who are enriched with your wealth of knowledge. You both are self-esteemed and very respected teachers. No one can take your place in our lives, and no one is worthy of filling your large shoes. Now it is time to part, and with good wishes and warm regards, we bid you goodbye, and we are happy now you can spend your time exploring your own interests in life and spend time with your families and friends. Thank you for being the best teacher, mentor, friend, and playing so many roles at the time. Here, I would like to conclude my thoughts with a special poem for both of you. सुषमा मैडम एंड अलका मैडम, ये कविता आपके लिए समर्पित है। माना कि ये दौर बदलते जाएंगे, माना कि ये दौर बदलते जाएंगे, आप जाएंगे तो कोई और आएंगे, आप जाएंगे तो कोई और आएंगे, मगर आपकी कमी इस दिल में हमेशा रहेगी, मगर आपकी कमी इस दिल में हमेशा रहेगी। सच कहते हैं हम आपको एक पल न भूल पाएंगे, सच कहते हैं हम आपको एक पल न भूल पाएंगे। मुश्किलों में जो साथ दिया याद रहेगा, मुश्किलों में जो साथ दिया याद रहेगा, गिरते हुए को जो साथ दिया याद रहेगा, गिरते हुए को जो हाथ दिया याद रहेगा। आपकी जगह जो भी आए वो आप जैसा ही हो, आपकी जगह जो भी आए वो आप जैसा ही हो। हम बस यही चाहेंगे, हम बस यही चाहेंगे। सच कहते हैं हम आपको एक पल न भूल पाएंगे, सच कहते हैं हम आपको एक पल न भूल पाएंगे। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Mithalakshmi Natarajan, happy to say about Alka Madam and Sushma Madam. Both are very kind, cooperative and helpful nature. Whenever I was in need of help, they helped me timely. Thanks a lot, ma'ams. I wish you both healthy, happy, retired life. God bless you both. Thank you.
Retirement is a blank sheet of paper. It's a chance to redesign your life into something new and different. Sweet and super, understanding and unique, sincere and skillful, hardworking and happy, mature and magnetic, active and approachable. She is none other than our Sushma Deshpande ma'am. May your retirement be filled with lots of joy and happiness. We'll miss you, ma'am. May you have a relaxing new chapter ahead. Wishing you all the very best. Retire from job, but never retire your mind. The most active, loving and caring, kind-hearted and generous, the most approachable and dynamic ma'am, our dearest Alka ma'am. Retirement is not the end of the road, but just a turn in the road. It's a time to enjoy the things you never could before. Hearty congratulations on your superannuation. Retirement is a never-ending vacation. It's wonderful if you have two essentials. Much to live on and much to live for. Enjoy your retirement. Wishing you the best retirement ever. Enjoy the new chapter of life and enjoy being your own boss. Dear sisters, once again hearty congratulations on your superannuation. Stay healthy, stay happy and live long. All the very best.
अलका मैडम और सुषमा मैडम, मैं आपके लिए कुछ पंक्तियाँ कहना चाहूँगी। दो हंसते से चेहरे जो आज से वो जुदा हमसे हो जाएंगे, जिन्होंने हर दिन को जिंदा दिली से जिया, जिनसे जीने की सीखी हमने कला, अपने नाम के जैसा काम किया आपने, आपको कोई कैसे भुला पाएगा। अलका मैडम और सुषमा मैडम, आप दोनों को इस उपलक्ष्य में मिली जुली खुशी और गम की भावनाओं के साथ आपको स्वस्थ और सुखमय जीवन की शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, Alka ma'am, Sushma ma'am, I wish you both a very happy and retired life. Alka ma'am, more than a colleague, you are my friend, and you were a good neighbor and a good mentor. You were everything for me here in Pune. Now you are retiring. आप हमेशा ही बहुत अच्छे और डेडिकेटेड टीचर रहे हैं। आपका डेडिकेशन हम सब ने देखा है और वैसे पर्सनल लाइफ में भी आप काफ़ी सारी चीज़ों से जुड़े रहे हैं, बहुत एक्टिव रहते हैं एंड आई रियली अप्रिशिएट यू फॉर दैट, फॉर योर एनर्जी, एंथुजियाज़म, फॉर एवरीथिंग। एंड आपका बहुत ही हेल्पिंग नेचर है सबके लिए। आई एम गोइंग टू मिस यू अ लॉट। सुषमा मैम, आप हमेशा से चिल पर्सन रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा बिहेवियर रहा है आपका सबके साथ, मेरे साथ भी। हमेशा आपने डॉटर की तरह ट्रीट किया है मुझे। बच्चे भी आपको बहुत प्यार करते हैं, आप भी हमेशा अपने काम को आपने बहुत प्यार किया है। सो नाउ यू आर बोथ गोइंग टू रिटायर। आई एम गोइंग टू मिस यू अ लॉट, बोथ ऑफ यू, बट शेवटी झाला तुम्ही रिटायर, आता बाय बाय टेन्शन आणि हॅलो पेन्शन। रिटायरमेंटच्या अनेक शुभेच्छा। थँक्यू सो मच।
Hello and warm welcome to everyone present here. Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Arya Narendra Nigde. I am studying in class 5th A. We have gathered here to bid farewell to our highly valuable teacher Alka ma'am. She has worked tirelessly in shaping our minds and leading us on the path of becoming bright students as well as good human beings. Ma'am, you are the most inspiring teacher who has taught us how to balance both studies and extracurricular activities for our overall development. Many years have gone by. We don't realize how quickly time flies. Goodbyes are never easy. However, change is inevitable. We, we will all miss you, ma'am. I am sad at the same time feel lucky to have this opportunity to express how special person you are. I am sure my thoughts and emotions resonate with each one present here. On behalf of all, I wish you all the success in your future mission. I pray you always stay fit and healthy and keep igniting mind outside school boundaries too. It's difficult to express our gratitude in words. However, I will end with a big thank you for everything that you have done for us. Love you, ma'am.
Good morning. My name is Atkesh Nambra of class 4A. Today I am going to talk about Sushma ma'am. Sushma ma'am is the one of the best teacher I have. She is very kind and helps me a lot. She has her unique way of teaching, which makes me understand everything. I am very grateful to be your student. Thank you for your all efforts.
सर्वप्रथम प्रिय देशपांडे मैडम को और सभी अध्यापकों को नमन। हम सब बच्चे दूसरी कक्षा से तीसरी कक्षा में आ गए थे, तो सभी छात्र बहुत खुश थे। तभी पहले ही दिन देशपांडे मैडम ने बताया कि वो अक्टूबर में रिटायर होने वाली है। तभी हमें बहुत बुरा लगा। फिर मुझे जब मैं पहली बार मैडम से मिली तब से सभी बातें याद आने लगी। जब मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय में एडमिशन हुआ तभी पहले ही दिन मैं मैडम से मिली। नए स्कूल में आने के बाद थोड़ा डर लग रहा था, पर जब देशपांडे मैडम से मिली तब मैडम बहुत प्यार से मुस्कुरा के बोल रही थी। तभी से मैडम बहुत अच्छी लगने लगी। मैडम बहुत अच्छे से सिखाती है। कुछ समझ में नहीं आए तो फिर से समझाती है। हमें बहुत बुरा लग रहा है कि मैडम रिटायर हो रही है, पर स्कूल बंद होने के कारण मैडम से नहीं मिल सकते। मैडम को आगे के जीवन सफर के लिए बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। आप हमेशा खुश और तंदुरुस्त रहे। धन्यवाद।
Good morning one and all. My name is Nado. I am going to say a few lines on our beloved Sushma ma'am. We are sad to hear about leaving, but on bright side, we know that there are more students who need comfort words and teachings. Let's take this opportunity to thank our beloved teacher Sushma ma'am. We are gathered here today to honor of your service to the school. You have given 2 years of your life to this 4th A class. Like a loving gardener, you have nourished the plants in your care wisely and lovingly. With your expert teaching, students in our class got good basic knowledge and shortcuts, which helps us to enter into merit list in our entire future of mathematics. The training you have given has made our future in a best way, and we are all proud of you. We wish you all the best in your retired life. On this occasion, we present to you a small token of affection and love. We hope that it will always remind you of us, give your blessings, and be assured that you will always have our love. A teacher should have a special place in every child's heart, because in this game of life, they help them get their start. I just want to thank our Sushma ma'am for all the things you have done. You're a very special teacher with lots of patience and loveliness that ever seen. And to me, you're number 1. A teacher affects eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops. Thank you for you this wonderful opportunity.
Good morning everyone, my name is Mani. Today I will say few sentences on Sushma ma'am. When we began school, we were about a foot tall, walking in the corridor and holding Sushma ma'am's hand. She helped us to settle down and adapt to school life. She helped us to learn new things: Hindi letters, words, sentences, maths. She was strict at times to make us learn. She encouraged us to move ahead. Our shortcomings, she gave us new tasks, inspired and guided us to complete our tasks and assignments. The values and learning you have imparted in us will stay with us for a long time to come. You will be missed and hope your paths cross again. And when it does, I hope you will be proud to see us. Change is the only constant thing in life, and that indeed is true. We wish you a good, relaxing, happy retirement life. Thank you.
Namaste everybody. As we all know, our Sushma ma'am is going to retire today. I have made a poem on her. The name of the poem is My Dear Sushma Ma'am. We thought maths was hardest. You are one who made it easiest. My dear Sushma Ma'am. As many times we had a doubt. Fine, it's fair. You replied answer with love and care. My dear Sushma Ma'am. You told our parents to keep quiet while class, as we are growing. As always, we will clearly tell we have no doubt. My dear Sushma ma'am, you teached all operations in class till we have solutions for every question you ask. My dear Sushma ma'am, enjoy your retirement. Wish you a happy and healthy life. Do visit again your student Srushti Suryavanshi, class 4th A. Thank you.
My name is Vaibhavyu Damali. I study in class 4th A. Today I am going to speak about Mrs. Sushma Deshpande ma'am, who is our maths teacher since last 2 years. Ma'am's teaching methods were very simple, by which students learned them quickly. Ma'am clears our doubts repeatedly during the online classes. Ma'am never got angry for repeated doubts asked by students. Ma'am, due to COVID-19, we are not able to attend offline classes by you. If possible, please visit the school when reopens for us. Miss you, ma'am. Thank you.
शिकवे हैं